until the National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Armstrong County, Southeastern Randall County, Western Wheeler County, Southeastern Carson County, Gray County, Northwestern Collingsworth County, Southeastern Roberts County, Southwestern Hemphill County, Donley County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Lora to 7 miles northwest of Groom to 7 miles east of Palo Duro Canyon, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Peppa, Clarendon, Shamrock, Claude, Miama, White Deer, McLean, Groom, LaForce, Howardwick, Headley, Lealy Lake, Lake McClellan, Wayside, Goodnight, Kingsmill, Dozier, Allen Reed, Codman, and Greenbelt Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Carson, Collingsworth, Donley, Gray, Hemphill, Randall, Roberts, and Wheeler.